Welcome back to my channel. Let us solve some more examples from now onwards. From these three examples which I'm going to solve from now on are a little bit complex. There are large expressions, right? So if you can solve these kinds of expressions, you can solve any expressions given in your examination, correct? So let us solve this first using the direct method. So direct method, we just need to scan the whole expression from left to right. As we can see, there are nested parentheses here, so we need to solve this left parenthesis first. So inside this parenthesis there are some more parentheses, so we need to solve first this parenthesis, right? So I'll say here plus AB, right? I have solved this, and then I'll just write it as it is, star C minus D minus E, right? I have already told you that once you solve one operand, operator and operand, just write the rest of the expression as it is. Do not try to solve two or three at a stretch, right, at one time, right? Now we have solved that. Now we need to solve this parenthesis, right? I'll say here plus AB star C minus, how do we solve this? Just put minus to the left of D, right? So I'll say here minus DE, right? This inside parenthesis goes away, and exponential f comma f plus G, correct? So this has been resolved, but this is yet to be resolved. As we can see, this is yet to be resolved, and star is also yet to be resolved. And now we have two parentheses, this parenthesis and this parenthesis here. So we obviously solve the left parenthesis first. If we are solving the left parenthesis, inside the left parenthesis, this is yet to be resolved, right? And also this is yet to be resolved, star and multiplication and minus. So we know that multiplication has greater precedence than minus, right? Than minus. Therefore we need to solve multiplication first. So here in this expression, plus AB will be operand 1, right? And this minus is yet to be resolved, therefore C would be operand 2. So I will write like this. I will take multiplication to the left of plus, right? Plus AB C minus, this is yet to be resolved, minus DE to the power f plus G, right? F plus G. Now here this minus is yet to be resolved, therefore this becomes R operand 1, this becomes our operand 2, correct? This becomes our operand 1, this becomes our operand 2. Now I will bring this to the left of this multiplication. So I will say minus star plus ABC minus DE, this is completely resolved, to the power, right? I'll say here f plus G. Now I will solve this parenthesis, minus star plus ABC minus DE to the power plus FG. The only operator that is to be resolved is this. Therefore this whole thing becomes operand 1, this whole thing becomes operand 2, to the power minus star plus ABC minus DE, right, plus FG. This is our prefix expression for this infix expression using direct method. So in the gate exam, if you are doing your gate exam, if you are writing your gate exam, if they ask you to convert, you can directly use the direct method to convert it. You don't need to use the stack method. This is much simpler and it saves you a lot of time. But in the university exam, if they ask you, you can use the stack method, right? Right? So we will stop this video here, and then in the next video I will try to convert the same expression, right, using the stack method. Thank you for watching.